Hi again, I'm Kate.
And I'm Robert.
And we're bringing back
Cocktail hour. With a slight variation. So you could call this appetizers, you could call it dinner.
But this is a lot of wine.
This is. Do we have enough straws to drink all of this?
Wow.
The point of today's episode is to not be a pizza wine pairing snob. A lot of people who are wine snobs, wine aficionados, will not admit to the fact that actually there's a lot of great wine that pairs really well with pizza.
Absolutely. I would agree with that.
I'm apologizing for people because some of you are going to be turning off right away. So what we have are some wines that we're going to quickly go through and talk about how you can pair it with. We're going to be doing a special episode just on Sangiovese next time, but wanted to talk about pizza and pairing. And Chianti or Sangiovese pairs really well with pepperoni pizza. I remember I was in a class years ago at UC Berkeley Extension, and every week we'd try different wines out. And so he would bring in something like a wine, like he'd bring in a Cab or Chardonnay. This particular time we brought in a Sangiovese. And there were about 60 people in the class, and he said, so what would pair well with the Sangiovese? And people are going, wine reduction, veal, and foie gras with an extra blah, blah, blah. And so everybody kind of quiet down, and I went, pepperoni pizza? And he goes, that's it! Exactly! And everybody else is laughing like, oh my God, he said pepperoni pizza.
How uncouth.
And this is exactly what this sommelier was thinking. It was like, pepperoni pizza, Sangiovese, perfect. So we have 4 different kinds of pizzas from Domino's. You don't have to spend $40 on a slice of pizza or on a pizza pie to get a good pizza. So these are Napa Domino's, delivered at home.
Not artisanal.
Not artisanal.
Not free range. Not GMO free. Not free.
Organic.
Organic.
Yeah, if you're worried about GMO, organic, gluten-free and all that.
Don't order from Domino's.
Exactly.
It's okay. That's good pizza.
Exactly.
All right, anyway.
So,
sorry.
but I don't remember. Do you remember what they were?
Roughly chicken with Alfredo sauce and spinach. Chicken with Alfredo sauce and bacon, because bacon pretty much makes everything taste
garlic.
Good. This one is sausage and pepperoni, maybe. And this is this is sausage and Canadian bacon.
Correct.
And and this one is sausage and pepperoni.
Right, that was the meat eater ones.
Meat something or other.
So let's say you get invited to a pizza party. You don't know what kind of pizzas are going to be there. What could you bring that will do pretty well? You can refine a little bit. So for instance, this one with the cheese and the chicken and the basil, was it? Spinach. Sorry. When I tried a slice of this, I thought a nice semi-buttery Chardonnay would do well. Not necessarily a Rombauer or Sonoma-Cutrer burst of malolactic fermentation, but there are some nice malolactic, like Fleur Springs makes a nice malolactic, semi-malolactic Chardonnay. I think it's like 30%. That would go, I think, really well with this one. With the one with the bacon, a certain Pinot Noir. I tend to like big Pinot Noirs, and this probably wouldn't pair with a big Pinot Noir in my taste. With other people, I think it would, but it's okay to serve a red wine with chicken.
Absolutely. And Pinot Noir is an excellent choice to serve with chicken.
It is.
Yes.
And they've come up with a new clone of Pinot Noir that's starting to hit the market. It's an anti-diuretic, so you don't so you don't have to go to the bathroom as often.
Wow.
It's called Pinot More. Okay.
Moving right along.
Moving right along. With the meat ones, Cabs do really well. We actually have quite a little collection here of some of our favorite wines. Azores, red wine blend, the Boar's Head, holy smoke. I like the other one too. From Fleur Springs, the Cliff Family Howell Mountain Cab. Howell Mountain is known for some very big cabs. The Cliff Family, I think, is very, very approachable. One of everyday drinking is this Mar-Largo Cabernet Sauvignon from Australia. Then we have a couple Sangioveses that would work really well. I think some of the best Sangiovese in the Napa Valley, which isn't known for Sangiovese, is Benessere, Swanson, at least in my book, Flora Springs, and Andretti. I very much like their Zinfandels, at least the 2013 and 2014, and then their 2013 Sangiovese was really good. Yeah, from Andretti.
You don't drink and drive.
Because Andretti was
Mario Andretti.
Race car driver.
Okay.
Good one. So when you go to your next meal, or your next pizza
Pizza
party, feel free to take...
Super Bowl.
Super Bowl. That's coming up.
Pretty soon. February sometime.
Is it?
I think.
I don't watch football, so...
Yeah.
Sorry, can't help you.
I think so. But pizza. Everybody, I don't know anybody who doesn't love pizza.
Ain't nobody don't like pizza.
And wine is a perfect pairing to pizza. And there's no point in being a wine snob about it. That's
Exactly.
really the point.
Wine is part of a meal.
So what are we drinking?
We apparently are going to be drinking a Lehman Layers Shiraz, which is a blend of Shiraz Tempranillo Mourvèdre and Grenache. Sorry, we got to drink when we do these shows. I keep forgetting. That's the whole point. But we're in a pizza coma, so we have an excuse.
You can see that there's only half pizza there.
The whole point of today was don't be a snob when it comes to blending good wine with pizza. Period.
And drink what you like.
And if you can't drink the one you love, love the one you drink.
Drink the one.
I think that was a song.
With.
Yeah, that was a song about pizza.
You can't drink with the wine.
We'll work on that offline. Cheers.
Cheers. Here's to pizza and wine. This has been Kate and Robert. And we're bringing back
cocktail hour and pizza and wine. Don't forget to like us.
Over here.
Over here. Subscribe. We need more subscribers.
Absolutely.
We will personally love you at a distance if you subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye.
Go.